Good morning students. As you know that we are doing chapter number 4, the right clothes to wear. Children, just have a look. You can see there are different kinds of dresses, isn't it? Dress, skirt, pants, jeans, jacket, coat, cap, hat, shirt, shorts, t-shirt, pajamas, sweater, apron, slippers, mittens, shoes, socks, gloves, swimsuit, scarf, belt, handkerchief, boots, suit, blouse, tie, vest, fur coat, raincoat. So there are other type of clothes also. So you can see number of clothes we wear, isn't it children? We wear vest, we wear socks, we wear cap, hat, tie, shirt, pants, shorts, jeans, trousers, simple cotton trousers, coat, pajamas at night when you sleep. You wear pajamas, the loose dress, sweater in the winter season. Then you have mittens, then you have aprons, gloves, swimsuits, scarves, belt, handkerchief you carry in your pocket. Then you have boots, suit, blouse, tie, fur coat, raincoat. So numerous. These are the different type of clothes we wear in different seasons, isn't it? We discussed what are the different type of clothes we wear in summer, then in winter, then in the rainy season. Okay, then you see different countries, they have different type of dresses. People of this, we discussed last time that Japanese wear kimono. So you can see people of Kenya, Austria, Holland, Germany, India, that is our traditional dress sari. Then Ireland, because it is very cold, so they are wearing all those jackets with a hood. Then you have Japanese, here you have kimono. Then you have Koreans, almost similar type. So different countries, they wear different kinds of dresses. Now we have different type of dresses, like people who work in hospitals, they have a uniform. Then when you come to school, you have uniforms. Then people working in factories, they have safety dresses and safety shoes. Then the doctors, then your pilots, then even the security personals, you see the army personals, the policeman, all of them have a uniform which they have to wear, that shows that they are wearing a uniform kind of dress. So these are the different type of dresses we wear. Dresses are made of different fabrics. We had discussed the natural fibers which we get from plants and animals, and different type of synthetic fibers which have been made by scientists, which we have discussed. They are also, clothes are made from synthetic fibers also. These are your synthetic fibers. As you can see, nylon, rayon, polyester, terylene. These are all synthetic, made by man-made fibers, and clothes are made from different type of natural and synthetic fibers. Now let us do an exercise from your science textbook, where you have to circle the correct answer. number 38. Choose the correct answer. It is in page number 38. Please do it in your textbook itself. We wear thick and warm clothes in summer, winter or rainy season. As you know, it is winter season. In summer we wear light clothes like shorts and sleeveless shirts, but in winter we wear jackets, we wear sweaters, pullovers, and gloves and hats and caps, scarves, all this. Next is nylon or rayon or linen is a natural fiber here. And as because of this circle and this cut, it's a natural which is obtained from plants. Now nylon and rayon, I showed you, they are synthetic fiber, but linen is a natural fiber which we get from plants. Okay, these are your nylon and rayon. These are all synthetic fiber. Okay. People working in factories wear overalls, white clothes or sari wear overalls. They should not wear any loose kind of dress or long dress, which will because they have to work in machines with different apparatus. So they have to wear overalls, which long dress they wear. It's tightly fitted. The national dress of a Japanese is sari, kimono or salwar kameez. As you know, it is kimono. Now in our country also, so this is your synthetic fibers. This is your Japanese kimono. In our country, children, we different states have different type of dresses. You must have seen in your textbook, like the people of Punjab, they wear those turbans and those dresses, salwar kameez and all. Then Maharashtrian, they wear a type of turban, that is specially dhotis, and then you have the Bengalis and the people of northeast, that is Assam, Tripura, they wear sari. Even sari is worn all over India. Some places they wear in South India, they wear lungis. Okay, so different type of dresses are worn by different people. This is the their dress of their state, which you call. Some dhoti, kurta, some wear lungi, some wear they wear like the Punjabis, they wear the colorful dhotis with a kurta, with a turban. So this different type of dresses are worn by people of different region. Like I show you another one. Rajasthani, then Kashmiri we know they wear firan. Then Kerala you can see that they wear a white dhoti worn like a lungi, and saris by women. So in this way, different type of dresses are worn by different around the world and even in our own country also. Okay, thank you children.